Hey, today we'll be doing a review on something I went out shopping and picked up from Target. The Bunkr's Battle Zone. This is an inflatable setup that we have here. This is the competition pack. You got Team Red and Team Blue. What's awesome is it comes with game cards. So you can set up and have you have rules, you have these game cards. And like you're in the middle of play and you can pull a card and say, hey, wait a minute, I'm trading blasters with you. That's how I roll. So let's take a look at what we have here. Let's look at the back. And here's the different bunkers. And these, the colors is two sides. They have red on one side, blue on the other. As well as you have these inflatables here. And what's great about them is these now come with quick inflators. The hole's bigger so you can inflate it a lot faster and deflate it. And that's what I've been looking for, because my company, I do Nerf party rental, and I need something to set up fast and take down fast because we need to save time. So let's take a look what's in the box. Okay. All right, there's our first inflatable. There's our second barrel inflatable. Now see, here's the playing cards it comes with, which I'm very excited about. It's going to be great for the party. So you have these different cards and they have different things on them. Like I have different rules, different games, capture the flag, and it has ammo steal. So basically any part in the game, you can say, hold up your card, say I'm going to play a card. And you can say, I'm taking your ammo, just like that. Or you can say, I'm switching blasters with you. Or you can even do a thing called recruit, where you can take another team's member if you think they're pretty strong and you want to have them help you win the war. Or the battle in this case. And here are these are the hold down spikes that you'll put in for the inflatables to help hold them in place. You need this more for outside when it's windy. Not so much inside, of course, because you couldn't go through concrete, right? But anyways, you'll put these, and you do get a couple patches if you get a hole in it. And you just stick these on there to help reseal it. But check out this. This is what I'm excited about. It's going to be fast inflation. And look at that. Flags. Doesn't even say that on the box. Or at least I don't remember seeing it on the box. But you get a flag for Team Red and Team Blue, which is pretty sweet. Okay. Of course, here's some instructions. Don't like to use instructions though. Let's see. Here we go. Let's try to blow one of these up real fast and see. And that's why I like these. I'll inflate a little bit more, but you can see how tall these are. It's a little bit over about 3 feet tall. And you put the pegs down here at the bottom. There are these holes that you stick them through and stick that into the ground, and that's what's going to hold it in place. Now I'm curious to see how it's going to do with wind, because here in Texas we seem to have a lot of wind issues, especially on the weekends. But I'll blow the rest of these up and we'll take a look outside. And by the way, I'm using a Ryobi air pump. These things work great. And he's 18 volt. That way it blows it up like that. All right. Okay, here's what the inflatables look like once you get them blown up. So you get these two barrels, which are taller than the old school ones. And there we go. Check out these. These are pretty cool. This is a new thing they have. And here's the playing cards you get. Here's the stakes to hold it down when you have it outside. Here's a couple patch repairs. And it comes with some flags as well. But like I said, I'm most excited. It's got these game cards, which are going to be amazing for the parties. as well as these are going to make great bunkers. And they blow up super fast, and you can deflate them really fast is what I like about it. So I'm going to sit up in the yard and we'll take a look at them. Here's how the battle bunkers look when they're put together. They inflate super easy, guys. That's one of the things I like about it, and they deflate just as fast, which makes it great. But I wanted to show you how easy they go on the ground. Now the ground was a little bit wet, but the stakes going real easy. I was kind of skeptical because they're plastic, but they're actually pretty heavy duty. They went in without any problems. I'll just take you around back to show you. You know, they have they're multicolored, so you got red on one side, blue on the other. These, like I said, these are nice size height. I don't have the water you can put in to help balance them a little bit better. But these things really, I'm really impressed with them. They, like I said, they inflate real fast and deflate fast. And they work really well. Like I said, they prefer you do like that U shape. That gives it a little bit more support, having that bend in it, especially when you have the stakes, because you put 4 stakes in each one. And like I said, it works great. I'm very happy with this. I plan on using this for my parties. Hope you like watching this video. Thanks for watching.